Today I am going to make mixed lentils and veggie pancake. For this recipe, I am taking 2 tablespoons urad dal, 2 tablespoons tur dal, 2 tablespoons masoor dal, 2 tablespoons green moong dal, 4 tablespoons yellow moong dal. Now wash this dal thoroughly and let it soak in water overnight or for at least 8 hours. Now take the soaked dal mix in a mixie jar and grind into a fine paste using minimum amount of water. To this dal batter, I will add a teaspoon of adrak mirchi and lasun paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of rawa, 2 tablespoons of thick curds, a pinch of haldi and salt to taste. Mix it thoroughly and set it aside for at least half an hour. For the veggie mix, take a non-stick pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil heats up, add a spoonful of til. When the til crackles, add a cup of cabbage, half a cup of capsicum and 1/4 cup of carrots. Add some salt to taste and some chili flakes. Saute on high flame for 2 minutes and then reduce the flame. Now take the dal batter. The consistency of the dal batter should be something like this. Add a teaspoon of ENO to this batter and mix it very well. Now pour this dal batter on the veggies. Cover the veggies evenly. Now cover the pan and let it cook. After 6 to 7 minutes, check with the help of a skewer or toothpick and cook till it comes out clean. Take a steel plate and grease it with some oil. Pour some oil on the pancake. With the help of the greased plate, flip the pancake over. And slide it back into the pan to cook on the other side. In a few minutes, check if the back of the pancake is well done and you are good to go. Take the pancake out on your serving plate and garnish it with coriander. You can serve it with Szechuan sauce or ketchup.